I'm trying. We're hiking up this fucking thing. Good morning from Guatemala. Hiking up an active volcano. I feel like I'm gonna die. There's not enough air up here. Check this out. I just stopped smoking, but that's Vulcan de Fuego. The video you see so many people running from because it's shooting off rocks. Check out this cloud. So cool. Looks like a mushroom.